Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, what up? Today I am bringing you guys this beat down for New Year's. I wanted to bring you guys a New Year's look in case you needed some inspiration or in case you just wanted to see me do my face. So I brought you guys this look using one of my newest favorite palettes. I'm not kidding, y'all. This is like one of my favorite palettes. I am so in love with it. The quality is so good. I love the tones. I love the texture. You guys are just gonna have to see me put it on my face. But this is a look I came up with for you guys. Of course, I had to use glitter because it's New Year's. I did like a little metallic liner. Put on some big ass lashes because what's a look without lashes? Did a very classic me nude type of lip. Y'all know 2019 was the year of nude lips for me, so had to pull out a classic. You can definitely rock this look with a red lip or a darker lip, any kind of lip that you want to rock it with. But me, I just paired it with a nude. So I think that's all I have to say. This is gonna be my last makeup tutorial of 2020. It's weird to say that. And this is going to be like a look for the decade. It's so crazy actually saying that out loud. Saying that makes me feel old. Like, yo, we just completed a whole decade, and saying that makes me feel really old. So yeah, but anywho, I really like this makeup look, and if you guys want to see how to achieve it, then just keep on watching. So here I am, guys, with the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed my last makeup tutorial of 2019. It's so crazy to say that. I don't know why I'm like getting all sentimental, like it's such a big deal, like I didn't do this last year and the year before that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this makeup look. I hope you guys look forward to more in the year 2020. If you still have not hit that subscribe button yet, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification so that you are notified every single time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one in 2020. Peace.